everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn about solar system. Can you name all the 8 planets in our solar system? This includes Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do you know any ways to remember all 8 planets? You can use this way. My very excellent mother just sold us nuggets. This means M is for Mercury or Mars. V is for Venus. E is for Earth. M is for, again, if you want, you can put Mercury or Mars. J is for Jupiter. S is for Saturn. U is for Uranus. And N is for Neptune. Galaxies. Our sun is one of the trillions of stars in the universe. Stars are found in groups held together by gravity. A huge group of stars is called galaxy. Okay. Our entire universe is made up of thousands of galaxies. The images below shows you how small we are compared to the entire universe. A huge group of stars held together by gravity. A system. What is a solar system? Now, as given, a solar system is a system of planets and stars that are found throughout the galaxies. And what is the universe? The entire universe is made up of thousands of galaxies. And what's a galaxy? A huge group of stars held together by gravity. The Milky Way. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. We live here in the Milky Way. Now, the very, very white part in the center is the sun. And all the thing orbiting the sun is the planets. So we can't see the Earth or the planets anywhere, but it is called the Milky Way. The inner planets, also called as terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So these 4 planets are terrestrial planets or inner planets. Spinning planets. Period of rotation, amount of time that an object takes to rotate once. 1 day means 24 hours. Period of revolution, time it takes an object to revolve around the sun. 1 year, 365 days. Mercury. On Mercury, you weigh only 38% of your weight on Earth. Fastest orbiting planet. Planet nearest to the sun. One side of the planet can be 800 degrees Fahrenheit, when the other can be 280 degrees Fahrenheit at the same time. Venus. On Venus, you weigh only 91% of what you weigh on Earth. Venus has 90 times the pressure of Earth. Venus has volcanoes like Earth. Rotates in the opposite direction of Earth. One time there were oceans before they boiled away. Earth. 23 hours and 56 minutes, 1 Earth day rotation. 365 days, 1 Earth year revolution. The Earth is warm enough to keep most of its water freezing and cold enough to keep its water from boiling. Means Earth has a moderate temperature. Temperature is between 13 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. Mars. Air pressure on Mars is the same as 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Mars is a form of ice. evidence that water was there at one time. Volcanic history like Earth. It is the tallest mount of the planet. It's called the Olympus Mons. Its size is it's three more of Mount Everest. Our planets, gas or jovial planets, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter, largest planet in the solar system, has great red spot from a storm system that is more than 400 years old. It is larger than Earth. 9 hours and 54 minutes one Jupiter day is the shortest day. Pressure is so great that it would crush a spaceship. Saturn, second largest planet in the solar system, 95 more massive than Earth. Saturn has the largest rings of any planet. The rings are made of icy particles, more moons of any planet. Uranus, discovered in 1781. Uranus appears blue and green in color, or maybe you might say it's aqua. Its axis of rotation is tilted 90 degrees. Moons are named after Shakespearean plays and form the other broken moons. Neptune, discovered in 1846. Neptune has visual belts of clouds. Interior releases thermal energy to its outer layers. Used to be the eighth planet after Pluto until 1999. What keeps our planets and other objects in space in orbit? Gravity and inertia. Gravity, a force that pulls an object towards each other. Inertia, the tendency of an object to stay either at rest or in motion along a straight path. So, how does these two forces keep everything in orbit? For example, the picture to the right shows how inertia and gravity works together to keep the moon orbiting the Earth. If inertia was stronger than gravity, then objects would stay on their own straight path and fly off into space. If gravity was stronger than inertia, objects would crash. If inertia and gravity work together to keep the moon orbiting, then everything would work. And that's why they both work together. So that the moon keeps orbiting the Earth and the planets keep orbiting the sun. Other space objects like comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. A comet. A comet is a small body made out of dust, rock, and ice. They are kind of like a dirty snowball. And comets come from faraway regions of our solar system beyond the planets. As this is a part of the comet, it's like this is a dust tail, iron tail, and coma. We'll see what is a comet made out of. Comets are made out of different parts. This includes nucleus, the coma, the iron tail, the dust tail. It's already shown over here how it is made. This is nucleus, the white part, coma, the little gray part, dust tail, this, and iron tail. What is an asteroid? Asteroids are large pieces of space rocks with irregular shapes. They're also known as planetoids or minor planets that revolve around our sun. Most asteroids orbit the sun in the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. A few asteroids approach the sun more closely. Asteroids can collide with an object such as its moon, creating huge craters on the surface. Orbit of Jupiter, Sun, orbit of Mars. And these are the asteroid belts. meteorites, meteors, and meteorites. So, meteorites are pieces of rocks or dust that are smaller than asteroids. Meteoroids are tiny particles left by an asteroid or comet, and most meteoroids are smaller than the size of a pebble. So in this GIF, you can see like how does meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites look like. This is a meteorite, and then this is a meteor, and this is a meteorite. When a small meteorite enters the Earth atmosphere, they usually burn up and make fiery tail as it falls, and it is called a meteor or a shooting star. Meteors that land on Earth is called meteorites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Huda Science Learning channel.